All right, so today we're going to be installing some spacers on my G80 M3. I did pick this beauty up about a month ago, brand new. I have been wanting one of these for quite some time now, and I finally had the opportunity to get one. So this one is the Isle of Man green exterior along with the brown interior. And I did get it in the 6-speed manual, of course. As the first modification, we will be doing the spacers. However, I do have some clear tails as well as some reflector overlays, which pretty much black these out on the way. And I also have some secondary cat deletes, which should be arriving today actually. So I'll be sure to make a video on all of that for you guys to see. So as for the setup, we did go with these KSP Performance spacers as well as these DynoFit extended lugs. I got everything from Amazon for $125 shipped. I have used this brand of spacer before in which they turned out to be great, so that's why I went with them again. The setup I went with is 15 millimeters in the front and 12 in the rear. After doing some research on the forum, this is the setup that appealed to me the most, so that's why I went with those sizes. I will have links for everything in the description for those who are interested. So let's go ahead and get the M3 in the air. Let's get these wheels off and go from there. All right, so we got the M3 in the air. I just wanted to show before installing the spacers how it looks. This is of course in the air, so it's gonna look different once it's on the ground, but just to give you an idea of how much more they'll stick out. So that's the back, and then that's pretty much how the front looks. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these wheels off and then get those spacers slapped on. All right, so I went ahead and got the wheels removed off the M3. I also went ahead and installed the rear and the front spacer on this side. They fit really good as expected. They sit on the hub just as they're supposed to. All of the bolt holes line up as well. And once again, I did run the 12 millimeters in the rear, and in the front, I am running the 15 millimeters. While I do have the wheels off, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the calipers because as you can tell, they are pretty dirty. One thing to mention, I am on the Michelin tires. Some people on the forums do say that if you have the Pirelli factory tires, they do sit a little bit wider than the Michelin. So if you're lowered and running these spacers, you may encounter some rubbing. Let's go ahead and get the wheels back on the car. That way I can show you how it looks in the air and then get it on the ground. Here is the passenger side with the spacers and the driver's side without. So I'll go ahead and get the driver's side installed, put the M3 on the ground and show you how it looks from there. Here's the finished product. I went ahead and got all of the spacers on. It is very aggressive, as you can tell. To me, it honestly has the perfect amount of poke. It's not too much to where it looks exaggerated. One thing of concern is this small section here in the bottom that sticks out, as you can tell. I just don't want rocks getting kicked up to the bumper and messing that up. So I'll probably look into some mud guards. I've seen a few online, so maybe I'll, throw those on, but we'll see. But overall, I am incredibly happy with how they look. That's the rear. Let me just show you the front. And that is the front. Ignore the car. I know it's dirty. I know I got to get it cleaned. But yeah, that's pretty much how it sits. Like I said, I do have some clear tails coming in. The secondary cat deletes, they get delayed until tomorrow. However, I will still make a video on those for you guys to see. And then the clear tails are on the way. I already have the blackouts for these reflectors, so I'll definitely make a video on that probably when I put the clear tails on, just to do everything at once. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys do have any questions, comments, or concerns, do not hesitate to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.